I read the book Deep by James Nestor. When we were growing up, were taught the basics, like running, jumping, and swimming. But our bodies are much more capable. As I follow James Nestor through his quest into the deep, the secrets unfold. James Nestor, a journalist, was sent by Outside Magazine to cover the 2011 Individual Depth World Championship in Klaimata, Greece. As James looks up pictures, I think it's more than a hobby. He notices someone named William Trubridge, who dives down more than 300 feet deep. This is possible by the master switch of life. This is the aquatic reflexes the body goes through. When under extreme pressure and low oxygen levels, everyone has these reflexes, but are hard to use. James is intrigued by what he saw and wants to know more. He then visits Aquarius, a training facility for astronauts underwater. They are researching a variety of things. Then James gets invited to free dive with sharks and Renoon. He was invited by Bully, who he had met in Klaimata. He is a famous shark photographer and diver. He's at Renoon to research bull sharks and tag them. He claims that sharks are the most misunderstood animals on the planet. We then learn about how sharks migrate in schools and they have a sense of direction or magnetoception. Then scientists did studies if humans had magnetoception and was proven true. James then wants to truly unlock the master switch of life, so he flies to Japan to meet the Ama. There's only a handful of Ama now. They are a group of free divers that live in the ocean. James asked what's the secret. They told him to just swim. Then a man named Scholler contacts James about his big discovery. He learns that dolphins are complex and have distinguished clicks to show themselves in a pod. He also finds that dolphins can turn sound into images. The big discovery is Scholler believes dolphins and sperm whales can send holographic images to each other. Then Scholler invites him to study sperm whales, but he must learn to free dive. He goes to Eric Pynan to help him learn to free dive. They train for hours, but he can only go down 30 feet. 3 weeks later, he contacts a man with a private sub to go down to the bathypelagic zone. James goes where there is no light, but there is. Splashes of red, green, and blue explode like fireworks. Organisms in the bathypelagic create their own light. Then Scholler meet up again. They record on the most rare sperm whale clicks, also known as a gunshot. They hypothesize it's used for hunting. Then he meets some scientists that can get a net to the bottom of the ocean 3,585 feet. They find shrimp and they are being studied. Through James Nestor's adventures, he found more about the human body and know more about very advanced forms of communication in the big blue ocean. Thank you.